In an era of rapid industrial growth, storage efficiency is becoming a key driver of business competitiveness. Mixing Machinery is dedicated to intelligent industrial storage solutions, providing efficient and reliable and sustainable systems for customers worldwide. Inside our smart manufacturing facility, automated equipment operates efficiently and intelligent production lines ensure precise. From raw material processing to finished products, every step is strictly controlled to deliver consistent, high-quality results. From silo fabrication to complete storage system delivery, we ensuring safe and reliable storage solutions for our customers. Our solutions are widely applied in industries such as cement, chemicals, energy, mining, and coal, supporting larger-scale industrial storage needs while helping customers improve efficiency and reduce costs. With years of industry expertise and numerous benchmark projects, we provide customized solutions tailored to different operational requirements. Mixing Machinery, working with you to build a more efficient and intelligent future of industrial storage.